Hey there, this is Josh Gwynn, and let me say, first of all, welcome and a warm congratulations on getting this course. I am super excited to teach you this information. This course is on LinkedIn and how you can supercharge your LinkedIn profile in 2 hours or less by doing a few highly effective things to your LinkedIn profile to get you more leads, more clients, and more sales, or more recruiters seeing your profile if you're looking to get a job. I'm going to show you those things. So if you're still considering getting the course, through the rest of this video I'm going to show you some of the proof, if you like, of what I've been able to do with my LinkedIn profile by using the exact techniques that I'm going to teach you in this course. So I highly encourage you to get the course by clicking the Take the Course button, which should be to the right or below this video, and get started. But if you decide to get the course, just know that 5,400 other students have already enrolled in this course. It's one of the top, if not the top, LinkedIn course on Udemy, and it's already has over 20 5-star reviews from students that have taken this course and have loved it. And in the rest of this video, I'm going to show you the proof of what I've been able to do with my LinkedIn profile and why I think this course will be a tremendous benefit to you. But I strongly encourage you to get the course. And LinkedIn is a topic that is very close to my heart because I use LinkedIn as one of the primary ways that I market my consulting business, and it is one of the primary sources of sales to that business. And if you've ever felt like your LinkedIn profile could be better, if you could be doing more and getting more connections and leads from it, I'm with you. I joined LinkedIn in 2008, and from 2008 to 2013, my LinkedIn profile stunk. I did not really do anything with it. I put a profile out there because I thought that's all I needed to do, and I didn't update anything, and consequently, during this time period, I got no leads and no connections and no recruiters calling me, nothing from LinkedIn. And in 2013, I finally started learning some of the secrets that the people with really good LinkedIn presence, the things that they do. And I call them secrets. They're not really secrets, but if you didn't know to do them, if you hadn't been told to do them, you wouldn't know to do them. So I started learning those things, and consequently, my LinkedIn profile started to get better and better and generate more connections and more leads. I started getting calls from recruiters on a weekly basis and finding clients that I didn't know before that found me solely from my LinkedIn marketing efforts. So you can see on this page that my LinkedIn profile, I have 4,969 followers, 500 plus connections, and what I feel like is a very effective professional LinkedIn profile. And just to show you that I'm walking the walk that I'm telling you, the techniques that I'm telling you to do, you can see that my LinkedIn profile, this is how I rank in LinkedIn. You can see that I ranked in the top 3 for profile views among my connections, and I have over 4,677 first-level connections. So the things that I'm telling you to do in this course are the things that I found to be super effective at getting your profile in front of the right people to get more leads, more connections, more clients, more job offers. Whatever your goal is to have on LinkedIn, a professional profile that is highly effective is the best way to do that. So if you are ready to go, let's get started. Again, thanks again for taking this course, and I'm super excited to teach you this information. And because this is a course about LinkedIn, send me a connection request. You can see the URL for my profile on your screen right now. I would love to connect with all of my students. I believe having more connections and a bigger network is something that benefits everybody. So send me a connection request. And if you're ready to go, let's get started. Thanks.